Okay, guys, so this time we're going to look at how we use the email program. So the first thing we're going to want to do is import a list of email subscribers for the purpose of sending out emails to. Okay, so I would check on my view all lists, and you can see the app users list will already be there. And since this is a new program, you probably have a very few amount of your customers in here. Or if you're a new business with the app, you'll have 0 people in here. You're able to import lists. Let's go over to the customer list first of all before I import anything. If you've got existing customers in your customer list, which this business does have, they have 580. I'm able to export these customers. So I can hit the export button here, and it saves a CSV file at the bottom here. And what I will do is I'll come back to the email program and come back to my lists and add a new list. Okay. Now you can type the name of your list. Let's call it app users. Hit the add button. Now this is giving you the format in which way you're supposed to import the email addresses. Okay, so you've got a name field, and an email field, and that's it. That's all the system will take. So if you got more fields and you're importing it, it won't work. Okay, so let's look at the way this thing has been exported to our system, from our system. I apologize. So you can see here we've got a column here with first name, last name, gender, all that stuff. We don't need all that stuff. So we just need the name and the email address. So I'm going to delete these columns. Okay, delete. I will delete the last name as well as the gender. And now we've got first name and email. And I believe you can go down here, and if you start typing, sorry, you can actually Kevin sometimes Outlook starts understanding what you're doing, not Outlook, Excel understands what you're trying to do and will automatically populate all the first names of but it's not the case. So anyways, I'm not going to continue this. Just do the last one here, CHRYLE, and I will save this. Okay, you can obviously you can do whatever you want with the your list. So I will save this. So this is called members 1. Close this out, and I will now import this. So choose the file. I'm going to look at the downloads folder. I'm going to import it. And if you want to apply a GDPR tag to this, if you guys are in the European Union, you can apply a GDPR tag. I'll do that and hit the import button. And give it a few seconds. And voila, I have now imported the list of 579 people into the email program. You can see them all here. Okay, so now when I click on my list again, I'll see, oh, I got 2 app users. I will change the name of this one. Let me edit this one. I'll put this as old app users because we want to confuse the system. Okay, and save button down here. Save. So now old app users. So these were imported, and these are automatically when people download your app, they're going to be populated to this list. Okay, so we've got 2 lists right now. So we're going to send out an email from this company today, and this has already been verified. The email address has already been verified. I'm going to go to my campaigns list. I've already started working on one. So here's the campaign template 1. So you can see the business name is all here. It's coming from, let me put the image in here. So the image is going to be added first. I've got an email that we already built. We'll choose the file. Here it is. I'm going to send it to the server. And this is a really big image, so I'm just going to make it smaller. Hit OK. Okay, so you can see this is the actual image that was created in, I think, Photoshop or something. But you can scroll this up and down. You can see the image. Rather than having to build it inside of this program, you can actually import an image. And I'm going to delete here because the footer is way too low. Okay, so I've got what I want to say. This is my email. It's coming from Aura Sets. This is the email it's coming from. This has already been done, and as you've probably seen in the previous video, right? Everything is done correctly here. This is the message. I hit the save at next, and now it's going to say who do I want to send this email to. I've got two different lists here, as you guys know. I'll select both. I can send a test email to these guys as well. You can put a test email. That's been sent, and now what I'm going to do is select my list and hit the send now. Okay, so you get a pop-up at the top that says, have you checked? Show you what that looks like. Have you checked your list? Yes, go ahead and send. So now the campaign is sending, and it takes a few minutes for everything to go through. But what you can do is come in here and then you can view your campaigns, and you can see this one is checking recipients, and it's going to be sending out all emails. So 17%, takes a few minutes, like I said, depending on the size of your list. But all of these emails will go out to your clients. And essentially, that's how you send an email. All right, so I just waved this through. It's gone through 579 recipients. It's all done. Sent 9 seconds ago. And you can see I've already had one open. You can click on your reports, and now you'll see campaign template 1, how many recipients, when you sent it. And if you click on it, it'll show you different statistics. How many people have opened it, who have not opened it, how many people have clicked if there was a link that's clickable, and then we'll show you the people that have actually, the last 10 people that have opened your emails, and anyone that's unsubscribed as well. Okay, you can see all that kind of stuff, and then obviously your countries, who's opened it in what country. So this is how you use the email program. It's pretty straightforward. If you guys have any questions, please by all means let us know. One more thing I'll let you see before we go. You can also see click the I button here, you can see what the email looks like. Okay.